the main reason I would recommend the main reason I do recommend Guthbrie's Recovery is because of the self-empowering nature of this program. I thought that I was powerless, and I don't mean to quibble about semantics or nomenclature or anything, but I thought that my life was, I was doomed to be either battling addiction or using or battling it, and battling cravings, battling urges, battling stinking thinking, and I was ready to do war. I'd been ready to do war, go to battle for about 20 years. And when I came here, I found out that I didn't have to do that.